This is a trap, bratans. We are speaking right now Bitcoin, what is happening here, and we have why it's a trap. We have massive bullish news, not only coming from CZ, who himself's writing. Some people are often jealous of the others who bought the last dip. Don't be that guy tomorrow, not financial advice, not calling dips or tops, just saying in general. And if CZ says something like this is very bullish, but I have other indicators which are telling us that this is a trap. However, it's not a guarantee, bratans. It's all about probabilities, not certainties. So if you understand this, watch this video until the end. I think you will see very valuable information. I tell you also which coins I'm buying right now. So what we saw right now, we saw wait a minute, I close this moving averages. We saw yesterday that we dipped further down below our daily support to our daily one support, I will call it like this. And I told you, yes, we could see even more, that we are reaching 21,700 or even the weekly support at 21,180. Yes, this is possible. However, right now I jumped into a long position, and I explain you also why I jumped in a long position. Here is my long position, which is around $70 in profit, 6.7% in profit, $70,000 in contract size, and I also still have my swing long position open, which is $8,100 right now in profit, 302% in profit. So everything looks amazing, bratans. And I show you also why I think this is a massive trap. So like I explained to you, we can go even to 21,800 or 21,200. However, I mean, the more we are dipping, bratans, the more we are getting here this big bullish divergence on the daily Bitcoin daily. I mean, this is very bullish. You see, we have here one indicator which shows this. We will see another big bullish move to the upside to our monthly resistance to 27K. It's right now 27K because the moving average moved to 27K on the monthly. Wait a minute, I show you here. You see the moving average, the 20 moving average, the red line moved to 27K because it's changing every week, or I mean not every day the monthly, but nearly every week. So at 27K, I still think that we will reach it. It all obviously depends on it, not Ethereum, on S&P 500. And what is here important, bratans? As expected, we see here right now that we are bouncing on this white line. And this white line, you remember, this white line is a big resistance line from 2021. And it was a big, you see, resistance. And here we broke it to the upside. So obviously, this resistance, which turned into support, is not so easy to break. However, it's not a guarantee, bratans. It's all about the probability. So the probability that we are going up is much more likely than that we are bouncing and breaking this line to the downside. Obviously, in case we are breaking here this line to the downside, I will immediately sell all my positions, because then we will see a big drop in the S&P 500 and also in Bitcoin, because S&P 500 is the leading indicator. And one thing more, I mean, wait a minute, I go back to the S&P 500. What is very interesting here, I mean, not that only we see on Bitcoin that this is a massive trap. We see not only, it's not a guarantee, bratans. We could easily go back to 15K, right? Nobody knows. But we see also, look at this 4 hourly, heavily oversold. 1 hourly, I mean, it looks like piece of shit, you see, oversold. It looks like Bitcoin is a scam, and this is what we want to see, right? 15-minute, heavily oversold, the RSI. I mean, everything, it's literally shouting in our mouth that we are, that this is only a trap. And for this reason, I bought a lot of how it called, top tier projects. In my opinion, do your own research, but these projects which we are always talking about in our Telegram group, which is, by the way, absolutely for free. This I have one paid group and one for free, but I wrote you also in the for free group here, I wrote you that I opened the trade. I wrote you that I opened the trade, and also I in this dip I wrote I bought more FXS, not a financial advice. So I bought at $10.35 approximately, and we see right now it's nearly the same. It's $1.36, a little bit. It moved up because I bought with the multi-billion-dollar trade, not leverage trade. I bought some FXS. Obviously, it's a joke. It was not multi-billion-dollar. It was a bad joke. Okay, so okay, it's not open. Doesn't matter. We are still at the same, but I bought more FXS, and what I wrote also in the private group, and this private group is at the moment for test period for $30 per month. There you get more signals, you get a live crypto teacher where you can speak to him, ask questions, you have a trading teacher, you have altcoins, signals, and research several pages long about the team and so on and so on. It's more for advanced traders. If you want, you can join it. $30 for free, for free. $30 blood, it's same for free. It's like Starbucks coffee blood. So, but I wrote you there that I bought another coin. I bought AGX. AGX I bought also right now because AGX, FXS are expecting, if we see that Bitcoin goes to 27K, are expecting what we are expecting, that because it's more probable, however, it's not a guarantee. But if Bitcoin goes to 27K, expecting at least that FXS going back to $14 and then to $17. So this is a 60% pump. And AGX, why I bought AGX? Because AGX saw also a big dip. And what I'm expecting on AGX, obviously, you see here this dip, and we are perfectly reaching here this, you see this 20 moving average on the daily. We perfectly, seems that we are bouncing here. And what I'm expecting here, when Bitcoin goes back to 27K, that we will see AGX at least at 57 cents. So this would be 26 pump. If we go to all-time high to 67 cents, this would be even 47% pump. It's all, bratan, it's all not a financial advice. Please do your own research, but this is what I'm doing. And about these two coins especially, we're speaking since AGX was 15 cents, it's right now around 50 cents, and FXS right now $10. And we are speaking about FXS since it's $6 in our Telegram group, in this free, by the way, Telegram group. How you can join this Telegram group or the Discord channel, this both, which are absolutely for free, I can explain you, bratan. Okay, I have not opened right now, doesn't matter. It's very easy. Maybe I show you here on this phone, because I have two iPhones, bratan. I always dreamed about two iPhones, by the way. One time I bought even 3 iPhones, but the third I never used, but you know, because yes. So that's free crypto course. So you go in the description, you make a registration on Bybit through my affiliate link, then you deposit $500 on your Bybit account and you get free access to my Discord Telegram channel. It's like this. It's very easy. And if you like this Telegram group, which is for free, then I highly recommend you the private group, because you have, I built even a bigger team, and I will build even a bigger team. The bigger the private community getting, the more teacher I will hire for this group, because I want to bring the maximum value. In the private group, you have like live teacher for crypto, for trading, for research, and so on, because I want to make this access to public. Not only, usually VCs has this only, but I want to make it for the public. So, bratans, in my opinion, it's very clear. So I'm right now in too long position. In my opinion, this is a clear trap. If in case S&P 500 breaking this white line to downside and closing clear daily below, I will sell immediately everything, Ethereum, FXS, everything, because then it's very, very clear that we will see Bitcoin going back at least to our lower lows at 15K, right? So, however, right now, in my opinion, this is a long opportunity, very clear long opportunity with amazing risk-reward ratio. I can show you again, but not a financial advice. Please do your own research. Also for Ethereum, by the way, Ethereum I'm expecting to go to $1,850. I mean, right now it's a risk-reward ratio. If we would jump right now, even in a trade, not a financial advice, bratan. Even right now, the price target is 27K. The stop loss slightly below the weekly support. It would be 2.7. Risk reward if you would do under 20K, which would be the stop loss under 20K, which would be even more safe. Then we would have here a risk reward at 1.76. So in my opinion, this is amazing. Not financial advice. Do your own research. If you have any questions, I see you in the Telegram group. That's by the way, and if you're in a bad mood, go and join. Make sure you check out here my comedy channels. You know, I'm comedian, 3.4 million on slavikjunge.mi4 TikTok and slavik.mi4 at Instagram. Please watch out only for the blue check marks, because since I do crypto, there are so many scammers who try to scam my community, but I never will DM you first. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.